fai lo che un po', e dopo tutto, dopo da programma. Pare, taglio, ormai per noi sai che da fai lo che a poco, fammi dire che a ogni cosa matto lì, e fa una gara che tutto qualsiasi.
Prince Ahmad Malolo, Chill, sea
kotope. Mo ka mato kotope. Kore ke utang hanai, apa ke matapu kai. Bagi fai mari pun ke fai kau. Bukan ya bil. Sekai kau nam Paulo me pangai apa kui fai la, tuku mo fai la. Nangai nau ko rio fai mai ke tau he apa. Ole fai no mari ke he fai he kare. Oli e pure tahi. Oi ngai ki fai no mari ko ku kore ke tari siga sia ni ki kau ha mua. Tuku mo fai la pe mai ani. Ele na fai to mui ki malai mo kapuno. I whawa ko ni ko whama e au ko whonga. Au tau loto whare. Tau loto whare na o hea gai tau ko conference o se si tau. Ia mo mea mai tangata. Tau kakai tau loto whare lotu. Mo mai o tu e lotu e tō kāti kere muri koe moaka tau kere e lotu tau whai tau kōmo whakama muri koe Pamalo atu whikau me muri au whanonga kau mā o kau tangata o whetana nima te tuatā te tamos te tarisa mana whetoa Dia mana tahu pun, dia cari kepada ni tahu apa ada siasi itu konferensi pamarola kita boleh lawa mai satu yang ini pelan lawa mai akon kau kata biar kau siasi kau kita kata tapi lama mau jual mai fare lotu fare tamat fare fai mari no fai più la malo atau pita ya ikano ka tong dai ki to presente no mi sopes termina aqui Pascal lagi kai dia ka dai to no fatau ka ta pise ga kulo no fai kau Pada kau pergi kau, kau di filem mana ada dia, kau tolong fare kolak, kau halah. Kau halau macam kata kan memang kau beri nama kata pergi kau, tapi mau yang betul, kau halah mau fare di luar kolak. Kau kita kan motor itu tamat. Kan ada ini, kau nak pergi kau api. Para estender o governo oficial assim o governo faz outro centuri que apenas assim que apenas não vai que tal foi lá que quando tal foi lá que ela por amado para todo para color foi dua que tal foi lá que conformado como plana kota wapi que tal foi lá Tau fui loake. Tape mudol ko kau ai ron di Christchurch mula ko tau api. Ko dia ho mai o sekitar ba no ba fi tau fui loake. Mo de la ko no dia feel at home. Ko di mangoi ka sola di mo ko tau api. Ko ba malo di kau mo Kama sekretarización nos fetoa se doa que estamos kau mana tahu motor kau tang dai kau malo au pito mola na kota up fofi dia tau foi lo malo tau pito tapi tau foi lo kai tau foi lo que hala pura porque só peguei dia mana foa Pepe la mali tau feloa tau malo biga tapoga lama mai tau malari lama api kota api ilo tu tau kai ai tau veo ya ka taulata. Oia pamala tu te ta final. Mo e tai ka mo tatati ka o kai na to malo konferensi. Mo tol pe ka to ka mo hene ha no tu pe o la ve na e ni hene ka o 5 ka. Se toma ta tai na se ske. Ya me ta no pe muri me ka to pe. Ko ta me a to ko lo tu ko ta me ko to pe ko ya to ma sia sia ke lo tu. Ini lagi sih tapi copyright kan tu don kalau tu kan ya don ko don be lo tu tapi dia beda tahu failo aqui President Prince and former President Chill and unknown speakers who are here and at this lunch I'd like to thank you once again for the opportunity to meet you again here. I'm here on behalf of our conference in Tonga. It is a great privilege indeed to be here and to share the joy and the warmth of all Tongans who under in your conference. Most Tongans here put on red colors today. That is our national color. I'm putting on black, New Zealand national color. I'm all black today. But I think it's a good wish for our game tonight. Let's pray for the game in Tonga and Samoa, especially for the peace of God, which passes all understanding, to keep the heart and mind of Tongans and Samoans in New Zealand, especially our players, two teams. President Prince and Chill at the conference of the Methodist Church in New Zealand, thank you for allowing Tongans to do things in our own way. And yet, they are fully a part of the whole conference. Thank you. Especially for your patience and courage to go to Tongan activities, a feast. There's a lot of things going on. Singing, dancing, speeches, and everything. And thank you for your patience and for identifying yourself with our values. You value our values. Just like any other country in the world, we Tongans have our own history and legends where nothing, even our problem, break the spirit of warmth and joy. We sing and dance when we celebrate things. We also sing in our birth. When a young baby is born, there is a special lullaby sung by the mother to keep her quiet. And we even sing it out there when somebody passes away. The whole family and the whole community, Tongan community, will sing the whole time, sing farewell. So we are deeply emotional people. And we thank you for value our values and allow Tongan to do things in our way, but especially your patience and time. I don't know when this celebration is going to be finished today, but I'm going to leave for the airport in a few minutes' time. That's why I want to say share with you this speech. Thank you so much. If the church in Tonga wants me to remain in the office next year, I promise you I'll certainly come to your conference here next year. I think I have done enough in the office. This is my 9th year. It's too long. Too long. But anyway, obedience, Dr. Chairs must be good. Thank you so much. And all the best. And I hope to see you again, if not here, up there in heaven. Malo api dapat si kaya no, apalah yang api dapat be siapa ni be lepo deh, be kalau di time na malai, be mau di, mau malo be kaya mali deh, malo api dapat malo api deh tahu apa yang masih dia tahu apa, malo api bawa salah ya.
Kalau di kota sini, di Papua, sih, karena tolong kita ambil dan kalau saya tahu di sini siang, dengan ada itu berlalu spesial itu. Kalau BH di sini, kalau kata family asosiasi atau family, kalau kau tu dia itu mah, kata kalau tu mana of the Nago Bay for the KCS. If I'm not able to do destiny, a bridge to the final end of
Well, greetings again, and President Dr. Ahio. First of all, I want to thank you for taking the trouble to fly to Christchurch to make this event a memorable one with your presence here and with your blessings for this new building. Thank you very much. And it's your care, your commitment and your support for the people that we appreciate very much. And with regard to the Tongan celebration, it's not my patience. It is something that I enjoy. I like to be there to see what is going on and to be part of that. Because culturally we have something in common in terms of celebration, and therefore I enjoy every moment of it. So it's not peace anymore. And the time I spent there in Bobao with the conference, yes, that was another wonderful experience. That's a lifetime experience that we got from there. And I also want to say that, well, it is not allowing the Tongans to do things in the Methodist Church in the Tongan way. From Conference 2018, we are going to do everything in the Tongan way with the Tongan president incoming. So it's not allowing, it's going to be Tongan way. So here is my invitation. It may be your 10th year, but you got to be here at Conference 2018 when we induct Sataita as President of the Methodist Church, and thereafter it's going to be Tongan way everything. So this is a foretaste of that we are enjoying and preparing for that greater event. So we look forward to see you again in 2018. And I was just mentioning to Tevita that when you mentioned about Hapai, is that where we are going next year? Conference. Yes, we will be there with that for to celebrate with you in conference. So once again, thank you very much for your presence, your support, your blessings in this event, and we value it very much. And may our partnership and our love and care to one another in Christ between Tonga and New Zealand continue. And may God bless you in your journey, safe travel home.
Thank you, President George Stefan. So I get a whole lot of double kalama. If I'm not going to be from another Korea, or if I get more, we will get a lot of
Malo, tengah tayo kita sekarang Palestin. Kung mapake fa, kau ke Allah. Pagkahin Allah ko ya, mau muy falamay he mau fina eki. He mau hamu o mau kalama. Ke mau ay mo hagi fa manate mau tengah tayo eki. Ay fa figau ke mo. ke mahino be ke matanga. My name is Soy Moa Behikite, and I stand as a representative of our late father, the Reverend Gebu Moa, who was the Minister of Gospel before Moi Kafunonga. We come with my mum, my sister, and Daniela, and there is a common saying, Oktakei Kaupe. And today we come to represent our dad, and also to remind Gospel we're still part of the family. When my dad was diagnosed with cancer while ministering here in Christchurch, I asked him, can we go home now? Can you come and spend time with us? And he said no, he still has work here in Christchurch. There's still work to be done here in Christchurch. And in that saying, we came here to help him. And even in his last breath, all he cared about was Christchurch. And as a family, we too love Gospel as our dad loved Gospel. So today we come to give a gift on his behalf to help with the building and also give a few messages from him if you were here. So I'll go back to Tongan. Sister Spelly, go Mato Henny, go Maha Fire from Malo, get the Moto. No, make a love from Malo, Homola Line, Mefraig, Daiki, Katu Moki from Malo, Fafuna at Mato, Hail for Latin number 5, Daiki, no willow peg on the Moe, big file, Eki, Motogoni, Homonga, to Gagan Milk Mama. E kau he kau whamalo ia me whawhetai ngā oe bōlawa e welewa lea katatawat.
Go
Daniela, e mai boa, e mana mai no a mai que mal é assim, comigo mal é a morrer da camada de mana que está bem. Mal pelo menos a nossa foi só foi. Sai da boca do leva e mana boia foi ficar com muito amor com a forma. Quando lava boia, pouco mais vai a uma boia essa estão um pouco aí quando posso ver a coisa foi ficar por aí na rua foi foi a rápido fumar pouco mais vai uma coisa essa estão um pouco aqui
vou fumar pegar coisa
essa estão um pouco aqui então uma aí essa se faz aí vou para ver aí então o programa mas então uma coisa vai estar vai
Hãy subscribe cho kênh Ghiền Mì Gõ để không bỏ lỡ những video hấp dẫn